Welcome to our lesson on golfing terms in Te Reo Māori. Let's start with the basics. Golf is known as hauporo, which literally translates to hit a ball. The term for this type of hitting is hahau, but it's been shortened to hau, so hauporo, golf. The clubs are known as krapu. The ball used to play golf is known as poi, and the word for tee is, well, tee. Now let's look at some of the different golfing terms. The driver is known as a hahau. To drive is to hahau. Your irons are known as iona. Your chipping wedge is known as a koko. And your putter is known as a pata. Okay, now we know our kit, let's put the poi on the tee. Hahau. Okay, the term for fairway is aratāpapa, which te ao often misses and goes straight into the oneone, or bunker. He's always hoping to koko, chip the poi, ball, onto the kākāriki, green. If you can see the haki or flag, aim for that. And if you are lucky, your poi, ball, goes into the rua, in the hole. Oh well, that's what I call a haupārua, or a pā. That's it for our lesson on golfing terms in Te Reo Māori. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.